Hello everyone, this is a presentation for the course RHET 1020, section 13 with Dr. Yasmin Mutawi by Omar Sabry. First of all, I would like to start off by telling you my research question. What are the internal and external factors affecting the virality of Tamim Yunus's two songs, Intiai Kalam and Salmonella? Intiai Kalam was published on YouTube in 2018 and Salmonella was published in 2020. Why is my research important? My research is important because it discusses the factors that affect the rapid virality of Egyptian YouTube videos. Who is my research important to? My research is important for YouTubers who are still starting up their channels and want to know what content to deliver to their viewers in order to get high views. In my research, I found that there was a gap in the relation between hypermasculinity and virality. I couldn't find articles that relate virality with hypermasculinity. What is virality? Virality is one of the most important theories I will be discussing in my research, and virality is the rapid increase in spread of a certain video or picture to a high number of people. And this is one of my main topics in my research. Virality occurs uh, due to videos that have recognizable content, such as this meme on the screen, where it got viral for absolutely no reason. When a video goes viral, many people begin to see the video and they start liking and commenting the video and sometimes share it with their friends. And, and this cycle continues on until the video goes viral. On the screen, you can see how rapidly the video Gangnam Style, published in 2012 on YouTube, how the views increased rapidly as weeks progress. The second topic I will be discussing is hypermasculinity. Hypermasculinity is stereotyping masculine uh, types, not masculine types, masculine uh, characteristics such as physical strength, sexuality, or aggression. Over here, you could see that a lot of companies use sexism as a way to get more popular. Dunkin' Donuts used the slogan "تيجي نشرب قهوة في Dunkin' Donuts," which was used, which was in a video where a man sexually harassed a woman and told her to go drink coffee with him and on the run. Also, Cotonese 2016 Ramadan ad showed a woman working out and a man saying "oh" on the video, and the other one is Juhaina's 2016 Ramadan ad where the baby was telling the other baby to man up because he wanted to be breastfed. The third most important topic I will be discussing is analyzing YouTube comments. YouTube comments have many types. Uh, one of the has four types. The first is self-promotion, the second is propaganda, the third abusive comments, and the fourth type is the normal comments that could not be categorized in any other category. My methodology is qualitative because I will be discussing how the two specific videos went viral instantly on YouTube. In my research, as I watched the videos, in the video Intiai Kalam, I could find that they used the character of Dr. Alphonse, which is a sexual character, and he always sexually harasses women as a meme. And behind there's a woman taking a selfie, and in the song, Tamim Yunus keeps on saying Intiai Kalam, which translates to "you are meaningless." Here you could also find a man who is replicating Muhammad Ramadan, an Egyptian actor, and also Tamim Yunus is saying that he is Ay Kalam, which means he is meaningless. In the video Salmonella, you could find Tamim Yunus with blood covered on his mouth. This is due to the fights he went through because the girl said to him that she wouldn't go out with him, but some other people say that this is lipstick due to him forcefully trying to kiss the woman. Here you could see that that Tamim Yunus is fighting with other people because the girl refused to go out with him. These are the sources I used. Thank you.